My name is Glenn Gallucci. This is Paul Gallucci, my son. We own Peak Properties and Peak Private Lending. All right, now, first thing we do when we look at a house, we come, we stand, we go across the street, and we look at it. Remember, you looking at this house and you can visualize what you can do to it. What would you do to it to make it sparkle?
$12,000 for this kitchen. Now that includes our floors, that includes our cabinets, that includes our countertops, backsplash, as well as all the appliances.
Yeah, it's a good question. Do you finish the basement or you don't finish the basement? They'll do double closing, flips, and subject to deals when you're buying a house, subject to the existing mortgage.